Alef Bet 3, presenting 3 new consonants and 2 vowels, the vowels E and O. Shalom. Remember as you see each slide to repeat the words out loud. It will conclude with 4 actual words in Hebrew. First slide shows a new vowel. This is E. It will appear underneath a consonant. E. Repeat. Rounded at top. Repeat. E. Re. Repeat. E. At the very end, the silent letter ayin. It makes no sound, just as the aleph, the first letter of the alphabet, makes no sound. Re. Repeat. This vowel says O. It actually looks like this with a dot on top, but in this set of slides, it will be shown with an O on top to help remember that the sound is O. Repeat. O. Like a mountain. Repeat. O. Silent letter. Mo. Repeat. Mo. O. Repeat. Y. This is a yud, and it's made yellow to help remember the sound of yud is y, as in yellow. Y. Repeat. Y. O. Silent letter. Yo. Repeat. Yo. E. Repeat. This sound is n. It's called a nun. N. Repeat. N. N. E. Ni. Repeat. Ni. Ni with a silent letter at the end. Ni. Repeat. E. Repeat. Y. Repeat. Ye. Repeat. O. Repeat. N. Repeat. N. O. No. Repeat. These are the letters and vowels that have been presented so far. Repeat each one as it shows. U with the dot in the middle. U. Think of it as if you were punched in the stomach. U. O. Dot on top. O. E. Dot at the bottom. E. A. Repeat. A. Another way to make the same sound. A. Silent. B with a button in the middle. H with a hole at top. Y. Yellow. L. Remember with the top portion of this letter looking like an L. L. Repeat. M like a mountain. N. Silent. R. Rounded at top. Sh. T with a tail or a toe. Real words. First sound. Next, a, and with the ending sound, at, at. This is the way you say you, feminine, singular. Pointing to a single woman or girl, you would use at. Repeat, at. First sound. Next, a. Next syllable, t, a, ta. Putting together, a, ta, a ta. A ta is how you say you to a boy or to a man. A ta. Repeat, a ta. Next, silent. A, n, e, ni. Repeat, ni. Syllable by syllable, a, ni, ani. Repeat, ani, meaning I, referring to yourself. Ani. First syllable, t, o, toe. Repeat, toe. Second syllable, r, a, ra. Repeat, ra. Complete word, t, o, toe, r, a, ra. Together, Torah, Torah, Torah. The first 5 books of the Bible, written as a scroll, Torah. Shalom.